Hey, what's up? I'm Jared with Pro-Serv Food Equipment. Are you tired of repetitive breakdowns in your kitchen? Or are you tired of emergency service affecting your kitchen efficiency? And a result of that, your business revenue is suffering, and on top of that, your customer experience is suffering. Let me introduce you to the Pro-Serv standard. We guarantee we'll be at your kitchen within 24 hours of your service call. We service all types of kitchen equipment, including refrigeration, cooking equipment, and HVAC repair. Give the office a call today, and we'll schedule your first appointment so you can experience the Pro-Serv standard.